How to view Zara purchase history. Viewing your Zara purchase history depends on whether you bought item online or in store and whether you are a registered user or not. If you want to do it online, you just want to open up the Zara app onto your device, log into your account, and go to the profile from the bottom right or account from the bottom right corner. There, you want to select purchase. Basically, you will have two different options, online or in store. You just want to go ahead and select one of these options, and accordingly you could go and filter it out by date, month, year, all that stuff, and this way you're supposed to view Zara purchase history. Now, if you scan your Zara QR code at the till during checkout, the receipt is automatically saved in your app under my purchase and go to in-store. And if you do not use the QR code by providing your phone number, you can link those purchases to your account as well. And you can scan a physical paper receipt into the app to save it digitally. You could also go to profile and in-store purchase and click or tap add receipt to scan as well. And this way you should be able to add in history or of your data. And that's how you're supposed to view Zara purchase history. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.